we'd like to greet Ate Vange, celebrate her sa kanyang birthday. Ate Vange, you don't look a day over 50. Si Ate Vange is sobrang energetic, sobrang happy person. Ang favorite memory ko sa kanya, nung nasa boarding house ako, kumatok siya sa akin. Nung December kasi nun, kumatok siya tapos akala daw niya naglayas ako. Kasi Pasko, nasa boarding house ako nagtitisis. So, si Ate Vanji is more than just a landlady sa amin, ng mga friends ko, nakasabay kong nagbo-board during that time. So, para kaming may second mom or tita nung nandun kami sa UP. So, ngayon, Ate Vanji, enjoy your day. I hope you get to celebrate it with your family and friends. And see you soon. Stay healthy. Hi, Kuya Jo.
Hi, Vanji. Ilang taon na tayong magkaibigan? Secret na lang. Ang tagal na kasi, so we've seen the best and worst in us, diba? So let me take this opportunity to show my appreciation. All the sweet things that you've been doing to my family, especially with Nanay. Thank you for the laughter and the memories, Vanji. I'm so lucky to be in your circle. May the good Lord bless you, keep you safe, and grant what your heart truly desires. Happy birthday, my dear friend. I love you.
Ayan. Hi, Kumaring Vanji. Happy 60th birthday. Malapit na kami umuwi ni DJ dyan. So, magkikita-kits ulit tayo. Thank you so much for the 4+ decades of friendship and love. Thank you so much sa pag-alaga kay Mami. See you soon. DJ, say hi.
Happy birthday, Maring Vanji. One of my best buddies.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Nina. We wish you more birthdays to come, good health, and more blessings in life.
Enjoy your day from Las Vegas!
Hello, Ate Vanji. Isang maekla-barbang pagbati ng maligayang kaarawan sa inyo. Enjoy po ninyo ang inyong kaarawan at minsan lang kayo magsi-60. Dahil 60 ka na, alam kong pinangarap mo maging 60. Dahil sa mga discounts ay lagi mo na akong ililibre sa labas dahil sa mga discounts na makukuha ninyo. Enjoy life at lagi ko sinasabi na maging happy at enjoyin kung ano ang meron tayo. Happy-happy lang sa tuwinan. To my Ekla Barbie at Katambalang Balahura, happy birthday!
Vanji, happy birthday! Sayang, wala kami dyan. But anyway, wish you the best. Oh, itong kuya mo, muntik na namin makalimutan, matutulog na sana kami. Pero mabuti na alala namin.
Vanji, happy birthday. 60, ay, pagtapos ng birthday mo, mag-retire ka na. Pwede na. Oh, sige, happy birthday.
Okay, love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.